guys, I'm Charlie. Today I will be teaching you how to make like some play buttons like I'm making. Now it's like a 15 subscriber play button. So if like Unspeakable or Mr. Beast is watching this for some reason, which I doubt it, please subscribe and I already accidentally tried. I started making the black part. So you're gonna grab a black marker, a triangle little cardboard piece, and you're gonna keep coloring it. And I'm gonna skip till I'm done. Finished coloring it black. Now this one is gonna be silver. So sorry, I was eating. And I thought of starting a new channel called McGaming Eats, but it's not out yet. Oh, where's that marker? Oh wait, no, I think that's supposed to be there. All right, so of course you need gray, because well, what do you expect, right? So you're also gonna need this, and you're gonna color that whole thing gray. Now I'll skip to when I'm done. Finally, after a ton of hard work, I finished coloring gray. Oh, did I mention you need tape? You're also gonna need scissors. I have myself some scissors. Why do I sound so depressed? Right, so you're gonna, we'll be right back. Dun, 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 dun. Finally, I have a little piece of tape. I'm just gonna, now look, trick. So you're gonna bend this like this, and then you're just gonna flip the green onto it. So on the sticky side, then it's like a little loop, and then it's sticky on all outsides. Then you should be able to just stick it on the back of your little play button. And then you put it on your play button. Now, look. Oh, can we get a replay of that? Oh, wait, that may be kind of hard to do. One. Oh. A replay of that. And you may need to add another little piece if it gets too ratted out. Get a different piece. All right, so I got a different piece, and I put it on here. Right, so now we got it. Push it on super hard, and then be careful with it. Then I know it's kind of backwards, but if I do it this way, then yeah, I think but then you're gonna need a little piece of cardboard, and then you're gonna grab your tape again. Right, pretty good sizing. You're going to cut it off, and then you're gonna do that looping thing. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, we're just leave it. Okay, so you're gonna do that crazy looping thing. You're gonna stick it. Oh, perfect sizing for the back of here. So then you could make it bigger or smaller. Now you can do whatever you want with the sizes, but then you're just gonna stick your thing on like this, and it looks like that. And then you're gonna write your channel name, which right now you're on mine, so I'm gonna write it on that. And guys, you can call my channel whatever you want. You could call it McGaming or MC Gaming, whatever you want. But then you're gonna write your channel name right there. Oh, Oculus sent me a notification. Alright, so then you're gonna write congrats on any number of subscribers. Now I'm doing 15, which if I should have had this idea like a long time ago, because I think actually I got 15 subscribers like the day I made my channel. Oh, and speaking of subscribers, make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make that red subscribe button gray. Alright, congrats on 15, and then you're gonna write subscribers. Alright, then you got that. Now it looks backwards to you, I think. It may not. But then you have made your little YouTube award. So that's how you make your little YouTube award. You can put it anywhere. Now I have made a ton, so let's go up the ranks. So 5, 10, 15, which we just made, 30, and then 30, and then 50, and then after 50 is, I'm still working on this one, I'm not done yet, but 70 to 80, which I'm at 79 right now, well, the day that I'm making this video. Just make sure to make that little, got some ice cream on me. Make sure to make that little subscribe button gray. If it's red, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that. Make it gray. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a thumbs up. See you guys later. Bye.